Hey, Twin Cities homeowners and future homeowners, Dan Winters here with your Twin Cities housing market update for month end of August 2022. So at the tail end of August, we start seeing a normalization of our market, and this is good news, everybody. What we're looking at is the key indicators of things like new listings, homes currently for sale, pending sales, closed sales, days on market, and our median sales price. By paying attention to these 6 key indicators, we can gauge the health of the real estate market, and we can do our absolute best to forecast what the next few months might bring. So when we're looking at this information, new listings were actually down 8.6% from the same time period last year, with only 59,491 homes actually coming to the market. With that said, there are still 5,660 homes left over for sale, and that's still down from the previous year at 2.9%. We did see our pending sales also drop about 13.2%, with only 49,611 homes going pending. This means they went on the market, accepted an offer, cleared their contingencies, and now they're just waiting or pending their closing date. The next thing we look at are closed sales. These are our best indicators of where actual value is sitting. And right now we did see a decrease in our closing sales, about 10.4% from last year, down to 51,341 homes that actually closed in the month of August. With this said, breaking the downward trend is our days on market have ticked up just a little bit to 12 days on market. This is a 9.1% increase though from the previous year. With that said, our median sales price continues to go up month after month, and now we're sitting at $359,900, and that's an 8.2% increase from the previous year. With all of that said, what does this actually mean for you as a future homeowner, a current homeowner, and maybe a home seller? For sellers, pricing is going to be absolutely critical as we move into a normalized fall market, which is always followed by winter, so we have to price appropriately. We also want to be very aware that the interest rates continue to go up, and we're pushing about 6 right now, and it's forecasted to continue to rise. So all this is doing is bumping buyers out of your buyer pool and shrinking that pool. So pricing appropriately and strategically is going to be absolute key. For buyers, there is some relief in sight actually. We now have a median of 12 days to go look at a property, walk through the property, talk about the property, and make a very well-informed and educated decision on whether or not you want to move forward. Ideally, we're not ever going to go back to having to make split-second decisions on whether or not you want to purchase a home. So take a deep breath and enjoy the fact that this market is normalizing and slowing just a little bit. For everybody though, this is all good news. Our market is normalizing. It was not sustainable with the amount of growth we were having, and this is all good news, especially here in the Twin Cities. Our real estate market is still incredibly healthy, and it's a good time to buy, sell, or invest. So when you're ready to have a conversation about your strategic, personalized real estate plan, feel free to reach out, like and subscribe here, send us an email to the email on the screen, and I look forward to connecting with you when you're ready.